In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a cookie consent banner to your GoDaddy website. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to your website dashboard. Once you are inside your account, open the Websites Plus Marketing section and choose the website you want to update. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. When the editor opens, go to the Settings area for your website. This is where GoDaddy places important site controls and privacy-related options. Inside Settings, look for a section labeled Cookie Banner, Privacy, or Website Settings. The exact name can vary slightly depending on your version of the editor, but it will usually be grouped with your site preferences or legal settings. Once you find that section, enable the Cookie Consent Banner option. This will turn on the banner for your website so visitors can see and respond to it when they arrive on your pages. If GoDaddy gives you the option to edit the message, take a moment to customize the text so it matches your site and privacy needs. Next, configure the consent button text and any other available banner settings. Depending on the options in your account, you may be able to change the wording of the accept button or adjust how the banner appears. Make the changes you want, then save your cookie banner settings. After saving, click Preview to check how the banner looks on your website. This is a helpful way to confirm that the message is clear and that the design fits well with the rest of your site. Review the text, placement, and button label to make sure everything appears the way you want. If everything looks correct in preview mode, click Publish to push the update live. This will apply the cookie consent banner to your live website so visitors can see it right away. Once publishing is complete, open your live website in a browser and confirm that the banner is showing correctly. If you do not see it immediately, try refreshing the page or opening the site in a private browsing window. This can help you view the banner as a first-time visitor would. Once the banner appears and works as expected, your setup is complete, and that covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.